Here's Slinky's toys. Here's his toy box. Right now he's sleeping, but I wanted to show you his toy box because he got a bunch of new toys and he loves them all. I had to clean up. He had every one of these toys out tonight. And he's in training because he's going to an airport in January. But the problem is he loves children so much that he wants to lick them to death. And my solution is to train him before he goes to the airport. And look, we have some dolls here. Very nice dolls. And I am happy to report that Slinky was a very, very good boy. He didn't even knock over these kids. He just licked them. And now he loves all of his dolls and babies so much. He doesn't need a family anymore. He absolutely loves children. Hi, Slinky. Hey, can you say hello to everybody? Yeah, I know you're busy with your new family. Yeah, say hello. Can you say hello? Hello. Say hello. Oh, you're so comfortable. And what's her name? And what's her name? Do you have a new family, Slinky? What's their name? Oh, you're mad. Oh, yeah, you're so tired. Uh-huh. Okay, good night. Good boy. Good night. It's okay. Yeah, go to bed. No cleaning. No cleaning. We're on video here. There, you can scratch. That's good boy. Okay, good night. I love your new family. Is that your wife? And your daughter? Who's that? Good night.